Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Tashkent was good time spent. If that's your intent, oh, 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 Tashkent. Going all around in Tashkent. Yeah, it's Tashkent. It's Tashkent.
It's pretty cool. So this is the mall, and then I just saw like a little bit of a flag right here, the Uzbekistan flag. But yeah, it's like a 3 or 4 story, 1, 2, 3, 4 stories, and then over there is a park. So we're gonna go out there and explore that too.
Got my hat. This is actually from the Kashgar, China side, but we're gonna be over in Tashkent City Mall. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It's actually kind of cool that Tashkent has this nice mall that you can check out. Very modern, lots of restaurants. So you're gonna see it all. I'm gonna take you there as if you're there yourself. Let's do it. Tashkent City Mall.
Yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, this is, I can't really film in the mall too much, so this is just a little small snippet, but we're gonna go out into the park and show you what that looks like. So yeah, Tashkent City Mall. There's one of the entrances to the ground level, and then you can see this kind of goes all the way around that way. There's a big centerpiece here, and it goes down that way too. So I think we're gonna go up and try to see more. It's nice. So there's the Uzbek flag right there. The colors of it. Sky park for kids. Then this has some of the stuff. So there's a sky park, food court, some of the shops, Zara, Boss, Walmart, I guess. Pretty cool. It's kind of random spots of the mall. Got KFC, Papa John's, pizza, Wendy's, Hardee's. So there's a lot of different restaurants in here. Yeah, there's a Wendy's, pizza right here, Wendy's, Hardee's. There's a few more. So this is inside the food court. There's also a Japanese down there, more pizza, and a few of them. So there's actually Turkish cuisine with the Uzbek flag, Chinese, another pizza. I think that's an Uzbek one, Chinese one, burger, sushi, Japanese, Pizza Hut. I think that one's a Turkish one. And then down there, there's Hardee's, Wendy's, Pizza, Papa John's, KFC. So there's a lot of different foreign restaurants in this area. Okay, so that's kind of interesting, maybe. It's very cool. So this one is this one with this. And I think that's 12, which I think we're gonna get. Yeah, and that's a food court right in there. Okay, so this is Uzbek traditional food, pulav. This one is a type of bread, tomato. That's the restaurant right there. Very cool. So a little art space inside Tashkent City Mall. And now we're back in the mall, so we're gonna head on out. We're gonna try to angle back down to get to where we can go into the park. So now we're back in the centerpiece, but yeah, you can see there's all these different stories. You can go around all these different areas, but we're gonna go outside. Oh, and there's a Uzbek flag. Those are the colors of the flag all the way around. Okay, so we're gonna go straight out that way. Just kind of giving you some more images before we go. It's so beautiful. Okay, so that's the Tashkent City Mall. Take this little food court right there. Then we're gonna go right into this space in here, which is a Tashkent City Park. There's a photographer he's looking for people to take pictures of, and then he'll kind of sell it to them. But that's the outside. There's a coffee shop. We're gonna go straight into here and kind of explore.